There are two programmable LDOs in addition to two fixed LDOs on the silicon. The two fixed LDOs here are 1.2 volts and 3.3 volts. These are immediately available once the enable pin goes high. The enable pin will pull itself up and drive high. You can pull it down to disable, but by default it will pull itself up and be enabled. Once these regulators come up, this 3.3 can be used to power up an external SPI flash for configuration, which we'll discuss in a later portion of this video. In addition to that, you have two programmable LDOs. These are located here on the right side here of the IC. You can select any one of these. I'm going to go ahead and select LDO-B. LDO-B, by default, it's disabled. You can enable it to a preset voltage 1.8, 2.5, 3.3, or a custom voltage. So if I select a custom voltage, I can key in any voltage up to 4.5 volts. So you can key in 3.6 volts, or any voltage you like, or even a lower voltage. At this point, if I left it this way, this voltage would come up by default once the chip completes configuration, and this voltage would come up. In addition to that, I have the dynamic enable control option. By doing this, I will create a signal on the LDO that can be driven to enable the LDO either via a sequencer or via a GPIO pin or any other additional logic that you can implement on the chip itself.